Hi everyone, welcome to Hypoallergenic Collection. Today I'll teach you how to make a hand sanitizer in just a few minutes and just 4 ingredients. All you need is some distilled water or cool boiled water also will do. Some alcohol-free witch hazel which will help to emulsify or bind the water with the essential oils which are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Then essential oils such as lemon and tea tree. So you just need to take a PET bottle. PET bottles are those which can handle essential oils. So make sure the plastic bottles that you purchase for this purpose are and PET. Either these two versions are fine to hold any solutions with essential oils. Put in 30 ml of cool boiled water. So I just had measured it and I'll just pour it into this. And then you will have 5 ml of alcohol-free witch hazel. So you just need to take 5 ml and then put it through the funnel that I have. And then you need to take 5 drops of lemon essential oil. These are very good immunity boosting as well as antibacterial, as well as 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. And that's it. Within maybe just less than a minute, you have an hand sanitizer all ready. And it's all mixed and nice. And there you go. Be virus free with your homemade sanitizer with such exorbitant prices in the market. Now you can make it at such low prices. Hope you enjoyed this video.